The Sart Roloise tomato is probably one of the prettiest tomatoes you can grow with its yellow base and purple anthos shoulders. It's a cross between the White Wonder and Baby Blue tomatoes bred by Roland Boulanger and Sart Eustace, and unfortunately for me, in the 3 years that I have grown this variety, the plants have never been super productive, although this was my best year with this variety, so it could have just been my previous growing conditions. But even though I don't get as many of these tomatoes as I'd like, I think this variety is still very much worth it to grow because the flavor is great. It's sweet and fruity and to me has a tropical aftertaste, kind of like pineapple, but yet I felt like it was a pretty low acid tomato. On the Brix meter, one of them had a reading of 7, and then I tested another one that was a little bit riper and it had a reading of 7.8, and anything beyond an 8 is typically considered really sweet, but I would say these readings are close enough in my book to call them sweet. But either way, I really enjoy this variety because, as I mentioned, it feels low in acid and the fruits aren't too seedy and are a bit meaty. And personally, that's an ideal tomato for me. Again, I wish I was able to get more tomatoes off of the plant, but as with many larger heirloom varieties like this, productivity may not be its strong suit, but that won't keep me from continuing to grow it, and it shouldn't deter you from trying it if you haven't already, because the flavor is really something special, and maybe next year I'll just have to grow more than one plant.